My name is Michelle Anchita Nasas. Ang expectation ko sa subject na to is mas ma-enhance pa yung creativity ko about arts and mas makakilala pa ng iba't ibang artist na kilala sa iba't ibang lugar.
My name is Bernard Cueso. I expected na marami pa akong matutunan sa arts. Bukod sa pagdodrawing, may mga story din na malalaman.
My name is Majorica Estehon. Ang expectation ko sa subject na to is mas maunawaan yung meaning ng art. My name is Maria Angela Bibabor. And my expectation to this subject is having a good grades and marami pa akong malaman about sa histories ng art.
My name is Frances Enrico. My expectation about art appreciation is should evoke emotion, spark imagination, and inspire creativity. It should foster empathy, cultural understanding, and historical context. But ultimately, art appreciation enriches personal perspective and promotes aesthetic enjoyment.
My name is Florini Vita. Ang expectation ko dito sa art, mabusisi ko sana yung story ng art, saka marami sana akong matutunan dito.
My name is J.R.A. Pailang. And my expectation sa subject na art appreciation is marami akong matutunan. My name is Nico Canlaban. Expectation ko sa subject na to, mas ma-appreciate ko pa yung mga bagay pagdating sa art.
My name is Stephanie Bergonio. Ang expectation ko sa Art Up is marami pa akong matutunan about arts and marami pa akong malaman about history. My name is Angelica Drill. Isa ko sa expectation ko dito sa arts is mapalawak pa ang kakayahan ko na may pakita ang kakayahan pa ng arts at malaman ko rin yung mga history pa nito.
Danica Ibriante. Expectation ko about sa arts is sana mas marami pa akong matutunan about sa art and history because art is one of my favorite subjects.
My name is Jimeles Marasigan. My expectation about this subject is sana may matutunan pa ako about sa arts and hopefully yung teacher namin is nagtuturo. What I enjoy most about learning art appreciation is how it opens your eyes to the beauty and meaning in both artworks and everyday things. It teaches you to look beyond the surface, understand the emotion and story behind each piece, and connect with artists' perspectives. It also helps you to develop a deeper sense of creativity and a great appreciation for different cultures and expressions.
Studying art has made me appreciate how people express themselves in so many different ways. It taught me to look deeper to understand the feelings, stories, and meaning behind each piece. This way of thinking helped me see beauty in everyday life and value creativity in everything people do.
What I'd like to explore further in art could depend on my specific interest. I'm really fascinated by the intersection of digital art and traditional techniques. I'd like to learn more about how artists are using digital tools to enhance or even completely reinvent traditional methods like painting, sculpting, or printmaking. Imagine combining the precision of digital sculpting with tactile feel of play, or using AI to generate unique texture for painting. The possibility seems endless.